What's up, guys? It's Ali. Um, yeah, we're hanging out in our patio right now, enjoying this lovely day, fresh air. It's currently 80 degrees out, and we are enjoying it today because these past few days have been super cold, and we haven't been able to really go out. I mean, y'all have come along with us to like a couple of stores here and there, but other than that, that's basically it. This is my makeup from my Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, and yeah, I just started to vlog today. And the reason why I'm holding Elizabeth right now is because we have a couple of puppies down there who are very talkative at the moment, and she got super scared. My poor baby. My poor baby, my sweet baby. Is that spit up? Is that spit up? Did you just spit up on my hair? Oh no. Oh no. You just spit up on my hair. She won't let go of my hair, guys. She literally thinks that I'm gonna put her down, and as soon as I put her down, she starts screaming her head out. And yeah, she got super scared with the puppies, but it's okay. Daddy wants to get her a puppy. Oh my god, guys, she's pulling my hair so badly. Elizabeth, stop pulling my hair. Hi, baby. So we came out here just to enjoy this weather on this side of the apartment complex. But yeah, we're gonna go on for a walk. And Daddy should be coming home soon. Daddy's gonna find us outside. Elizabeth. Elizabeth. So Daddy passed by and he totally ignored us, or he just did not see us, but we were literally right in front of him. And he locked us out. Hey!
Hi. Hi, baby.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi. Hi, mi amor. Hi.
Someone's got a lot to see today. So, we don't celebrate Valentine's Day. Care to explain why?
Well, it's a paganism holiday to begin with. And on top of that, it's celebrating one of the saints that his name is Saint Valentine, and I'm not in the Catholic Church, so why celebrate it? So on top of that, it's a commercial day. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why I don't celebrate, or we, if you want to say that, since sometimes you want to celebrate them. That's one of the reasons why we don't celebrate most of the holidays that we have here.
But you love me.
Yeah, I love you, of course. I mean, I love you every day throughout the whole year. I mean, you're my wife, but you know, I believe we shouldn't celebrate Valentine's Day, because I mean, if you're a Catholic and you like paganism, I mean, you go ahead. But if you want to be a true person to yourself and your family, you know, you should explain to the people that don't know why you don't celebrate things. And I believe I'm the head of the family. I should share the knowledge with my own family and start with my own family, so I can, I guess, help other people to do it. But if you celebrate it or you don't celebrate it, it's no biggie. It's not oh, you're a bad person because you celebrate it.
What'd you get?
Ice cream.
And what else?
I got some sushi and some bread.
So as you guys saw, we went to the library and I got to pick out a book, and I picked out this one because I don't know, it just called my name as I was like looking through all the books with Elizabeth. It's called A Wartime Love Story, As Always, Jack, and it's written by Emma Sweeney. It's a small chapter book. I'm just really excited to start reading. Now, just an FYI, I am not big on reading books. Like, if you were to ask me to read a book, I would look at you and be like, no, sorry, ain't nobody got time for that. But now that I have a lot of time at home and, you know, I'm dedicating myself to do YouTube and take care of Elizabeth and, you know, just kind of take care of the apartment itself, I wanted to just start something different with myself. I wanted to get into a habit of reading, because I already read books to Elizabeth, like baby books, but it's really not a thing that I enjoy, and I really want to enjoy it because I want her to be that child that has a love and passion for books. So, you know, a baby or your children are a reflection of what you are as a parent, and I want Elizabeth to have love and knowledge of books, so I think I should be the one to start doing it. And I think I'm gonna start with this. It's a love book, I guess we could say, like a romantic book, but at the end of the day, I guess I will do a review on the book itself, and I will let you guys know what I thought about the book. I mean, the title itself just called my name when I was searching through books, and yeah, I think this is gonna be a good thing for me, so we'll see how this goes. So I'm testing out this small ring light that I got from Five Below, and it's pretty good. I mean, it's super dark out here. If I turn it off, this is how it looks. First setting, second setting, third setting. All it is this. Let me turn it off. It's really this thing, and it just clips on. So clip it on here. Third setting. anyways, yeah, I just wanted to test this out, and it's definitely working. It's definitely very bright. We really didn't do anything today, like you guys saw earlier in the video. My husband explains the reason why we don't celebrate. This is honestly our first year that we don't celebrate anything, and it's been very weird, but at the end of the day, I definitely understand the reasons why we don't do that anymore. And it's very hard because, you know, you grew up with all of these traditions, and you get accustomed to all these things. And one of the hardest things for me to accept was not celebrating Christmas, and it was very hard at the beginning. But at the end of the day, it was my first Christmas away from everyone, and I thought to myself, listen, like, this is it. I'm gonna spend Christmas with my baby girl and my husband and my dad. Luckily, we ended up going to New York, and I did some last minute shopping. I went and I got my little siblings, their Christmas gifts. I wrapped them up, but I didn't give them to them during Christmas because Christmas we spent it with my family. And yeah, I gave it to them like 4 or 5 days later, and it was nice, but it wasn't a celebration how it should have been. But I understand the reasons why, and as hard as it is to not celebrate, I mean, like I said, I understand. And yeah, so hey, everybody has their own opinions, everybody has their own traditions, and now with my family, we're gonna start our own. So yeah, I think this is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed your Valentine's Day. So I might not celebrate, but I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed your Valentine's Day. And yeah, come again to my channel. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And I hope you guys keep coming and keep enjoying my videos. I will see you guys next time. Bye.